Yeah, this is Dr. William Odion, a financial coach, the CEO to probabafx Consult, and also the founder of probabafx Academy. Here is a launch of the most anticipated book, Becoming a Profitable Forex Trader. The book was inspired by an experience of mine in the financial market. Forex has been known by a whole lot to be something that you come in and you lose your money. You get, but I want to change the narratives because of my experience. It's not really where you lose your money. It's a risk to reward platform. You risk and you also be rewarded from knowledge. When you have knowledge, that's when you'll be rewarded. But when you do it without having the knowledge, you end up losing. That is the main thing about Forex trading. So the book is a guide on how to be profitable, because there's a lot of things people overlook in the Forex space, which makes them lose. And from statistics, it's been said to be that 90% of traders lose. So why do they lose? It's because they don't have the knowledge. So from my own experience, starting up Forex trading, I actually lost a lot. When I grabbed the knowledge and got conversant with the whole trading stuff, I became profitable. So that's the inspiration behind writing the book, Becoming a Profitable Forex Trader. And with the experience of training over 10,000 people across the globe, and also mentoring them to be profitable, that also inspires me to do more, like come up with a book that can be a guide to a lot of people I'm not able to reach out to with my mentorship class. Yeah, it's literally my experience I poured out on the book, like things that helped me to become profitable. So I think if I am profitable, others can be profitable too, following the guide and having the knowledge of Forex trading. A lot of Nigerians are not really readers. They don't read a lot. But the few that read, they make headway in their niche, because reading helps you get knowledge. So if you read, you acquire knowledge. If you don't read and do things just because others are doing it, I think you'll be getting it wrong. Because of the way social media has evolved, now a lot of people read. So I think it will be an impact on social media. A lot of people are really carried away by the success rate of the people that have acquired the knowledge, because you see them fronting a lot of luxury stuffs. So you get confused like it's easy. No, it's not easy. But when you acquire the knowledge, I think it will help you scale through. And this book is a guide that I think it's going to influence the social world, basically the social media world. That's actually a misconception. Forex is not a get-rich scheme or a money doubling scheme. That's the reason. It's a process. It's not what you get into and you start making money immediately. All those people you see flashing those things, it took them a couple of years to acquire the experience and the knowledge to hit it big. And in Forex trading, you need equity, capital. You don't, because a lot of people think you can just use $100 to make $1 million. It's not possible. So it's a process. You need capital, you need knowledge, you need equity before you can be able to be profitable.
I go double my hustle, money stop nonsense. Take a look, I deliver past your prophet. You want trade with probabafx. Everyday profit, no wait till month end. Don't remain no be for salary worker. Which one you want? Multiplier, I be starter. E-shop.